Okay, in this part 5, we're going to continue the final project tasks, step 7, 8, and 9. So what we are going to do is run the second script, the production main, to test or evaluate the 22 new loans and produce the HIVE for the loan approval analysis. And then prepare ODBC driver for the Power BI, then connect, then download. Yeah. Okay, so including open the Power BI and create a missing link, and then yep, prepare for creating the Power BI visualization. Okay, so I put here the part 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So we're going to run the production main. So just leave everything as we have completed the development main. Then we just need to clear the console log by press Ctrl L, and then open the production main. Okay, here, then Ctrl A, then run. This will take a shorter time, but still a few minutes. Yeah, what is production main is basically making use the model to evaluate the new loan application, which is from the borrower underscore prod and loan underscore prod CSV. So those 22 new loan, and processed by the model, and then give the score. Then the loan manager will decide which loan going to be approved and which loan going to be rejected. Okay, so just wait a while. Okay, so the production main is completed. Yeah, we can see the console back. Yeah, the RStudio console. So there is no additional output here in the file folder, but you can find that it's produced 2 additional HIVE. So we go back to the Ambari. From the Ambari, we open the HIVE view. Okay, yeah, so the merge is the 10,000 row, and then a merge prod is 22 row. We can test by the write a query, select star, yeah, from the merge prod. That is, see, execute. Yeah. Okay, this is 22 new loan. Yeah. You can export, yeah, save to HIVEs or download as a CSV. You click download, and give you the file name. Yeah. But we're not going to use this method to export the HIVE. For example, this one is the 10,000. Yeah. Okay, yeah. And then optional metrics. Yep. Okay, I'm going to explain separately about this. Okay, so the next step is after run the production main, then we discover the HIVE are created. Prepare ODBC driver for the Power BI. Yeah, so I already created one guideline. You can download from the share space. Yeah, the step-by-step how to download the Power BI for desktop, and then download the driver, the HIVE driver. Yeah. So this is the downloading online or offline. Yeah, for the driver you use this 64-bit or 32-bit. Yeah, so open the one machines. This is the URL to download. Yeah? So download the both, because we don't know the Power BI. Yeah? But most likely yours is a 64-bit already. Okay, so downloading here. Let's look at the folder. Download. Yeah, okay, 64-bit. Yeah? Okay, let's try to run this one first. Install the 64-bit. Okay, yeah. So from the Windows Start, then type the ODBC, then we have the 64-bit. Yeah? Okay, so currently empty, then we try to create a new one. Yeah? Then look for the ODBC driver. Okay, then you need to create a data source. Just name it as any name. Yeah? Ryan Loan, yeah, demo. Just a demo for Ryan Loan. Okay, so the host, you have to go to the this cluster, and then look for the URL, which is you can find here in the cluster informations. Go to the overview, this one. Okay. Copy, remove the https:// the HIVE. Okay, here you go. Yeah, remove this. Then test username is admin, and the password is not this one. Yep, this is the password. Then a test. The other is the remain blank. This one is remain blank. Test successful. Okay, then we click OK. Click OK. Ryan Loan demo. Yeah. Okay, then after that, open the Power BI. We're going to import the HIVE to the Power BI. Okay, click the close, then import the data, from the another source. Click other, click ODBC, connect, then look for the get data from the another source, other, then ODBC, click connect. Okay, so we have the Ryan Loan demo here. Click OK. It will ask you the credential again, admin, then the password is this. Oh, not this one. Ryan Spark. Okay, connect. Okay, so from the HIVE we can see the 6 table, but we're going to export only the last 5. This one is a sample table. We don't need that. Load. Okay, now loading the data. This will take a while, few minutes. Okay, finish already. Then the next stage is to prepare to create additional link. This one. This one done already. Connect this one. Then create a missing link, and then create a measure or new column. When needed. This part is going to be recorded in a separate video. Okay, so go to the model. This is the table that imported from the HIVE. Then we just arrange the position nicely. And this one is the optional matrix. Then we need to link the merge prod with the score data prod. Linked by the loan ID. Okay. So now your schema is correctly. This is 10,000 row. Merge and score data. Merge prod and score data prod is 22. Then we have the optional matrix here. Then you're going to create a report. Okay, I save this first. The name is loan Power BI starter. Okay, save it. So you can close. Then you can delete the cluster. Okay, so open again for the testing. Okay, we reopen again the last file that we created. This one, starter. Okay, so the report still blank, but the schema already data model and the table already populated. We just need to configure the visualization, which is going to be explained in a separate video. Okay, so with this, then it's conclude the part 5. Then I continue again with part 9. Part 6, sorry. Okay, thanks for watching.